The speed is about to be even speedier or smoother, whatever. What's up guys, and it's time to discuss the official killer feature of the OnePlus 7 Pro. Something that is really surprising for all of us is about to happen. OnePlus is gearing up to announce its OnePlus 7 along with OnePlus 7 Pro. They're gonna confirm the event date on April 23rd, but we don't have to wait for it because the leak master on leaks has spilled the beans. The OnePlus 7 family is expected to be announced on May 16th, and he also confirmed some never before known details of the OnePlus 7. So OnePlus 7 is set to have a 6.4-inch flat display along with water drop notch, which is similar to the design of the OnePlus 6T, and then you also get dual rear cameras with 48 megapixel as the primary lens, and the second lens could be a wide angle lens. Then comes the OnePlus 7 Pro, the real upgrade of this generation. We have a 6.64-inch curved OLED display, a pop-up front camera, triple rear camera system on the back, and the specs for that has been further revealed by my buddy Max, and according to his leak, we have a 48 megapixel main lens, an 8 megapixel telephoto lens with 3x zoom coming at f2.4 aperture. It could be 3x optical zoom, we don't know for sure. A 16 megapixel ultra wide angle lens is there for the first time on a OnePlus phone, which is really exciting. And then we have the OnePlus 7 Pro 5G. It's the third model. It is the 5G version of the Pro variant, so it's gonna have the same specs just with the 5G modem. So with all the new details and leaks, it's confirmed that the pop-up camera design is only exclusive to the Pro model, whereas the normal model OnePlus 7 will stick with a water drop notch design. And to be honest, it's a great news because OnePlus 7 will still going to be one of the cheapest Snapdragon 855 phones, and if someone wants to go higher with the features, you could spend more on the Pro model. Overall specs are looking great, but there is one thing that sets it apart from the competition. As Isoniverse said, OnePlus 7 Pro could have 90Hz refresh rate. For those of you who don't know what that means, let me explain. Your traditional smartphone runs on a 60Hz refresh rate, and with 90Hz refresh rate, things will get even smoother. This could make the already fast, zippy, snappy OnePlus 7 Pro buttery smooth. The refresh rate will improve the animation, and also it will help a ton with the swipe gesture functionality. And let's not forget, this is happening on an OLED panel. The Razer phone that came out with the 120Hz refresh rate along with the iPad Pro, they all had LCD panels, so doing this on an OLED display is pretty amazing, and it's actually possible as Asus ROG phone already has a 90Hz OLED screen. It's a gaming phone, so OnePlus is doing it with their flagship OnePlus 7 Pro model, and in all honesty, I think this is a killer feature. I have used the Razer phone and I remember the experience was so great. It was probably the most smoothest Android phone I have ever used. Once you actually use a phone with this capability, it changes everything. You get spoiled, you'll start to notice differences as you go back to a 60Hz smartphone display. This is super exciting. The first official tease of the OnePlus 7 Pro shows a phone that's kind of similar to the one that got leaked. If you guys remember, the edge design is seemingly confirmed from the teaser itself. So along with 90Hz madness, the battery has to be big as well in order to keep all that up. So 4000 mAh battery is set to be inside of the Pro model, along with 30 watts of fast rapid charging. And furthermore, it will finally have stereo speakers. With all this, I definitely think this is a very much flagship product, and again, it's not gonna break your bank, it's not gonna cost $1,000, but at the same time, it's not gonna be a $500 phone. So Pro model definitely feels like more like a $700 phone to me. Again, with all the features, I definitely think it is justifiable. Again, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. The killer feature is indeed a killer feature. What do you think about 90Hz refresh rate and all the other amazing specs that the Pro model has? And your thoughts on the OnePlus 7 model, what do you think? Let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.